Balance the chemical equation by ion electron method and half reaction method. Tetraphosphorus plus nitric acid gives us phosphoric acid plus nitrogen dioxide plus water. Now you can write the oxidation numbers by the rules of assigning oxidation numbers. Identify the oxidation and reduction reactions. In this reaction, phosphorus has charge of 0 and it changing into +5. So phosphorus is being oxidized. The nitrogen has charge of +5 and it changing into +4. So nitrogen is being reduced. Now you can balance the both reactions. In the oxidation half reaction, to balance the phosphorus atoms, we need to put a coefficient of 4 in front of H3PO4. The phosphorus atoms are balanced. Now you can balance the oxygen atoms. To do this, you can produce water molecules. The oxygen atoms are balanced. Now you can balance the hydrogen atoms. To do this, you can produce H plus ions. The number of atoms in the oxidation half reaction are balanced. Now you can balance the number of atoms in the reduction half reaction. In the reduction half reaction, to balance the oxygen atoms, you can produce water molecules. The oxygen atoms are balanced. Now you can balance the hydrogen atoms. To do this, you can produce H plus ions. Now the number of atoms are balanced in the reduction half reaction. For a redox reaction, the addition of charges on both sides should be equal. So try it in the oxidation half reaction. So both sides are not equal. To make them equal, you should add electrons as you counted protons. Thus if you think of adding 20 protons to left side to make it equal to 20, it is wrong. But you can add 20 electrons to right side to make it equal to 0. The addition of charges on oxidation half reaction are balanced. Now you can balance the addition of charges on reduction half reaction. In this equation, you can add 1 electron to left side to make it equal to 0. But you can't add 1 proton to right side to make it equal to +1. In the oxidation half reaction, there are 20 electrons present. So we need 20 electrons on reduction half reaction. To do this, you can multiply the equation by a coefficient of 20. Now you can add the both reactions. Now you can cancel the same terms. Now the number of atoms and addition of charges on both sides are equal. So the equation is now balanced. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon.